Hey guys, this is George. On this video, we're doing a review of an app called Holographium. So it's the app right here. And this is, it's not like a normal app. What you have to do with this, what you can do with this app is you can create holographic images like the one I'm gonna show you right now. And the way it works is some DSLR, every DSLR camera and some point and shoot cameras have the ability to shoot pictures with a long exposure. So what long exposure means is that the camera takes a very long picture. So it takes more than 5 seconds to take a picture to collect all the light from where you're taking a picture. So that's how this app works. So you can change the text you wanna make the holograph look like. So I'm gonna use follow me at georgealegre, and I typed it wrong. Follow me at georgealegre. There we go. You can change the color. I like light blue or maybe dark blue is nice too. You can make how wide you want the text to be, so you can change this. I like it on 90%, and you can change how long you want the picture to be. So if you will have an exposure of 20 seconds, you might want to put this on 17, 18 maybe. And once you're done, you can press that check mark and you press on the screen, and it gives you a 3-second countdown, and it starts displaying these weird graphics. But once in your camera you take a picture with a long exposure, it actually looks like a holograph on the air. So I'll show you, for example, right now how you do this, and I'll show you what the effect is. Okay guys, so here I am in my room, and I'm going to do a demonstration of what you have to do to take a picture with Holographium. So first of all, you have to have a camera that allows you to adjust the shutter speed. The shutter speed is the time that it takes the camera to take a picture. So it's the time that it leaves the sensor receiving light from whatever it's aiming at. So every DSLR has the ability to control shutter speed, and some point and shoot cameras or micro four thirds camera also allow you to do that. So first go into the shutter speed shutter priority mode. So if you have a knob or in the menu, you have to go to the different shooting modes, search for an S or an SA or shutter speed priority, look for something like that, and you'll be able to change the time it takes to take a picture. So it's recommended that you take a picture with a shutter speed to more than 5 seconds. The examples I will show at the end of the video were taken with 10 to 15 to 20 seconds of shutter speed, and that's about it. So once you do that, you have to grab your iPad. I'm going to open the app right here, and I already have everything set up as I showed you in the app review. I have a red text that says follow me at georgealegre, and once you're done, you have to press that check mark. And then what you have to do is press the shutter on your camera, and it's recommended that you put a timer. I put a 10-second timer on my camera, and then I came back here, and you have to synchronize the timer with your camera to this timer. So when you press on the screen, it takes 3 seconds to record, to show the graphs, the holographs. So if you press the shutter right there and you have a 10-second timer, in the 7th second, press the screen right here, and you'll be in perfect synchronization. So once you press the shutter, press the screen. It takes 3 seconds, and then you have to move your iPad slowly, depending on how fast or how slow you are going to take the picture. So if you can see that one did it very fast. I'm going to move it faster, and you have to remember to move your iPad very steady without moving it a lot like this.
And once you do that, you can experiment with doing this sort of stuff or changing the angle of your iPad. And once you do that, you can take a great picture. So you can also change some settings on your camera. I was taking some pictures and then I realized I had the focal length very high, so I reduced it to 11, f11, and it worked perfectly. So that's it for this video review. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember to comment, rate, subscribe, follow me on Twitter for real-time updates, and thank you for watching, guys. Goodbye.